G'day Australia, Korum from Audiocom here. Today I'm in a Ford Ranger PX2 where we're fitting a massive system, MTX front speakers, MTX rear speakers, two MTX shallow subwoofers, and what I want to show you is the Interceptor harness for installing an amplifier into any late model vehicle. It's a little unique package we put together at audiocom.online and what we use in the Audiocom stores when we're installing as well. What it is an interceptor setup to tap into the car's factory wiring without cutting any of the car's original wiring or without damaging any of the car's original wiring. This is very important when you're setting up a system in a new car, is to not cut into the original harness. Now, a lot of dodgy backyard guys, gumtree guys, unqualified, non-licensed technicians, there's a lot of cowboys out there just cutting into the original harness, splicing low-level converters in or splicing processors in. It's not good, it's not okay, and it's actually against our technical rules as set forth by various associations, including the Motor Trade Association. We're not meant to be modifying or affecting the car's original wiring in any way, and it can void warranty with some dealerships and some manufacturers. So don't do it. Don't chop into the factory harnesses. Don't modify the car's original wiring. Use an Interceptor harness from audiocom.online. Now, I'll show you the genius of these things. So these are available on the website for heaps of different cars in a few different formats. We've got focal ones, we've got AirPro ones, we've got WavTech ones, we've got all sorts of great products. What it does is it plugs into the original car audio harness here, which has got power connections and speaker connections, and all of this goes to the car's original power and speaker connections in the vehicle. Then it intercepts those, and then this new plug, as part of the Interceptor harness, plugs into the back of the original harness, original head unit. So that allows us to put external accessories on with these connectors without affecting any of the factory wiring. What we've got here is a pre-wired plug and play Rca Output Converter for the Ranger, which is going to let us connect the next genius part of this setup, which is the full Amplifier fast harness. So this now will plug and play with the Rca connectors into the high-low converter, and then this speaker connector will connect to the other side of the ISO connectors on the Interceptor harness, and then this whole harness runs down here. Check this out, it's full pro. You just need to lay it into all the cavities to where the amplifier is going, and at the other end of the harness it has what labeled speaker wires telling you exactly what to connect to your amplifier, and on both the output and the input channels they're all labeled. So you simply connect all these to your amp, terminate them properly at the amplifier, and you've just had a plug and play amplifier installation to your car's original wiring without chopping into any of the vehicle's original wiring. Very important. It's the pro way to do it. You can get your own pack for your car at audiocom.online, or come and visit one of the Audiocom stores and we'll put a pack together for you. We have all of this in stock for almost every car that is. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I want to see you here again soon.